In case you hadn't watched the first episode of the arc, I recommend it. It'll give you a little insight. I also wanted to drop some things about how the town of Gracefield and actually the whole state of Connecticut is handling the situation. You see, people might have doubts on the new residents from the Boiling Owls. Hunter has been taken in by a foster family who are quite wary of the scars on his face. I also want to tie in some legal diplomatic things. For example, I had a thought about how the state will handle Amity being on life support. Anyway, there is the threat of cutting off her life support, and that'll just break loose. I mean, she's already broken enough. Anyway, still, I hope you can enjoy this little live stream while I'm currently working on the second part. I don't know what else to say. This is my first live stream. I might as well just, focus on my school task, which is making a commercial for my class's radio project thingy. But I will be working on the second episode of the Jamesverse arc, which, if you haven't read it on DeviantArt and fanfiction.net, is Maturing 101, where the Collector meets Marsha for the first time. This combination was inspired by a guy who's no longer on DeviantArt, who headcanons him, the Collector, as an adoptive member of the Nacida family. And I'm currently working on a chapter where Camilla discovers the Collector and brings him inside as a secret. That's pretty much it. Also, I've wrote a short Hunt Low story in my notebook, which details the scenes where Hunter and Willow haven't seen each other since the collapse, and their first date in a while. I really don't know how much I need to tell about this. This is all I've got. This is my first live stream. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Now, how do I shut this thing off? Whoops. Does anyone know how to turn this live stream off? This is just weird. Okay? Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.